It was a great day here across South Florida, but we have a lot going on in the tropics, and that's what we're going to focus on right now. So we do have an area of disturbed weather still on land in Africa, but that is expected to move off the coast, and we'll watch that. Another wave, just very low-end chances of development, but it's lifting north. We're not going to bother anyone. Franklin has now become a hurricane, and Franklin could pose some problems to Bermuda, likely just mainly in the way of swells. And then we have newly formed Tropical Depression 10, which was Invest 93L. So we've been watching this one closely. Right now it's located in the Yucatan Peninsula. Here are the spaghetti models. It's barely moving right now. Max winds are 30 miles per hour, and it does have tightly clustered modeling right there in the Panhandle from the Big Bend region to just west of Panama City Beach. So of course these tracks will change a little bit, and our impacts will change based on the final evolution of Tropical Depression 10. But here's what we know. It is going to strengthen because as it lifts north into the Gulf of Mexico, it's over very, very warm waters and low vertical wind shear. All good signs that it will strengthen. So it's expected to become a Cat 1 hurricane late Monday into Tuesday in the eastern Gulf of Mexico. And then you can see the track wants to take it toward the Big Bend region. But notice it does dip as far south as the Nature Coast, which is just above Tampa. So that's why we need to keep a close eye on this. And then it's going to move over Georgia and the Carolinas. So right now there is a tropical storm watch in effect for the western edge of Cuba, as well as a tropical storm warning for the eastern tip of the Yucatan Peninsula. So folks there need to be on the lookout, because here's what they can expect. Heavy rains that could lead to flash flooding and landslides, likely to become a hurricane over the Gulf of Mexico, moving toward the Florida Panhandle, and we can expect a storm surge in the Panhandle, perhaps heavy rain, strong winds, and again, that's going to depend on the strength of it as it makes landfall. Quickly to Hurricane Franklin. It is expected to strengthen to a Cat 2 and then a Cat 3 hurricane. Quickly, it's supposed to hook around the island of Bermuda right there, but Bermuda will start to see swells as early as tomorrow evening. It's moving to the north-northwest at 8 with max winds of 85 miles per hour. Then it will just cruise off into the cold northern Atlantic waters. Back here at home, we've seen some showers move on shore with a breezy northeasterly flow, but right now mainly dry across the area and nothing more than a few spot showers tonight. So a nice evening across the region. Current temperature 88 degrees with the winds out of the northeast at 12. All right, so here's the progression of Tropical Depression number 10. And notice our weather though for Sunday, breezy with a few showers and storms, scattered showers on Monday, becoming a little more windy, and then by Tuesday, windy, storms and rain more likely as it cruises through the Gulf of Mexico. So back here at home, a wetter work week ahead for sure. Conditions will start to deteriorate a little bit starting Monday, and our main threats, gusty winds, heavy rain, and deteriorating marine conditions too. So we'll be watching it very closely for you. And here you can see on the precipitable water map where it takes the storm and all that high-end moisture in the atmosphere over our area Wednesday, Thursday, even in Tuesday. So high-end rain chances. But overall, this model, American model, just showing slightly over an inch for West Palm Beach. And again, we stay mainly dry tonight. Not too much going on tomorrow, but rain chances will pick up as we head into Monday. Here's your 7-day forecast. Temperatures staying in the low 90s, and by Wednesday and Thursday we have a 70% chance of showers and storms.